here is your spacious and beautiful living space. Now here is your actually spacious kitchen space. Now here is your gorgeous master bedroom. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. Today in this video we are doing an actual flat tour of Sereno, which is located near Pancard Club Road, Baner, Pune and developed by Now Realty. As you can see, I am at the actual location and behind me is the sales office. और उसी के आगे आपको मिल जाती है पैनकार्ड क्लब रोड, जो लेफ्ट साइड से कनेक्ट करती है मुंबई बेंगलोर हाईवे और राइट साइड से कनेक्ट करती है ऑन बानेर लिंक रोड. बट बिफोर डाइव इनटू द प्रोजेक्ट, लेट मी टेल यू व्हाट इज हाउसी. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform, where if you do an inquiry, your number share with the other brokers, resulting lots of calls. Housey connects you directly with the builders, which means transparent pricing, genuine information and hassle-free home buying experience. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home today through Housey. Now let us discuss the project overview. This project will be constructed on 7.5 acres of land parcel with 6 towers, which includes ground plus 3 podium plus 36 floors, having 3 BHK, 4 BHK and 4 BHK presidential suites available. Now let us discuss the location and the connectivity of this project. As you can see, I am at the actual location and this project is located near Pancard Club Road, Samarth Colony, Baner, Pune. और इस project की connectivity में आपको मिल जाता है WeWork 600 meters, Mumbai Bangalore Highway 1 kilometer and on Baner Road 1.5 kilometers away. Now let us discuss the amenities of this project. This project has 40 plus luxurious amenities such as swimming pool, clubhouse, kids play area, multi-purpose court, gym and many more. As you can see, I am standing at the actual 3 BHK sample flat, which has a carpet area of 1904 square feet. Now this is the entrance and at the entrance you get a video door phone and digital door lock. As soon as you enter, you get an entrance lobby which is very spacious and here you can customize it with decorative items or you can set up a shoe rack. Now let's check out the living space. Now here is your spacious and beautiful living space where you can set up your couch and a space for TV unit. You also get an attached balcony which is very spacious and here you will get an anti-skid tiles, teflon glass railing and 3-side covering. Now let's check out the dining space. But are you planning to buy a new home? तो मेरा एक strong recommendation है, हाउसी के राइट्स ऑफ होम बायर्स सीरीज ज़रूर देखिए. बहुत से होम बायर्स को उनके राइट्स के बारे में पता नहीं होता, चाहे वो बिल्डर कैंसिलेशन डिडक्शन हो या कंस्ट्रक्शन और लीकेज रिलेटेड इशू. हमने सब कुछ सिंपल और इजी लैंग्वेज में एक्सप्लेन किया है, तो होम बाय करने से पहले इस सीरीज़ को ज़रूर देखिए, लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. नाउ लेट्स चेक आउट द डाइनिंग स्पेस. नाउ हियर इज योर ब्यूटीफुल डाइनिंग स्पेस where you can set up your dining table and enjoy your breakfast, lunch and dinner with your friends and family. Now let me show you the kitchen space. Now here is your actually spacious kitchen space where you will get an L-shaped granite platform with an attached sink. Also, you will be going to get a modular kitchen and chimney. You also get an attached dry balcony where you can set up your washing machine and utilities. You also get an attached window for natural sunlight and ventilation purpose. Now let's check out the first bedroom. Now here is your first bedroom where you can set up your bed and a space for TV unit and study table. You also get an attached bay window for natural sunlight and ventilation purpose. Here you get a space where you can set up your wardrobe. You also get an attached washroom which has an anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, designer vitrified tiles and shower glass partition. Now let's check out the second bedroom. Before that, you get a powder room, which has an anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting and designer vitrified tiles. Now let's check out the second bedroom. Now here is your spacious second bedroom, where you can set up your bed and a space for TV unit and office table. You also get an attached bay window for natural sunlight and ventilation purpose. Here you get a spacious walk-in wardrobe. With an attached washroom, which has an anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, designer vitrified tiles and shower glass partition. Now let's check out the master bedroom. But before that, let me tell you what Housey provides. Housey provides you with sample flat videos, actual location tour, pros and cons of the project, EMI and payment schemes, 360-degree location tour. All of this just under one platform. So what are you waiting for? Book your site visit today. Now let's check out the master bedroom. Now here is your gorgeous master bedroom, where you can set up your bed and a space for TV unit and study table. You also get an attached large bay window, which has for natural sunlight and ventilation purpose. You also get a walk-in wardrobe with an attached master washroom, which has an anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, designer vitrified tiles and shower glass partition. So everyone, this was the actual 3 BHK flat tour of Sereno, which is located near Pan Card Club Road, Baner, Pune and developed by Now Realty. For more information about this project, please click the below link and download your e-brochures and price sheet. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel and book your dream home today.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.